my first shooting.
Good morning. I have to be honest with you guys. I have filmed several different days worth of videos, but then I go throughout the day and for whatever reason, either the footage gets deleted or basically my day just goes a way I didn't expect it to. Sorry for the shaking. I just got back from a trip with my family to Michigan, and I think I'm just gonna take a day to catch up. I have to upload a podcast today. It's with my friend Adam Palmer. Make sure you check it out. I'll link it down below. Today I just need to, like I said, catch up. I need to do laundry. I need to put my clothes away that are in the suitcase. And then this evening, I think Adam and I are gonna go to the Tomato Art Fest here in East Nashville. I'm meeting with a friend for coffee here in a few minutes, which I desperately need. I'm needing that caffeine hardcore. Because we got in last night after driving many hours, and then I went straight out to go out with some friends to celebrate a friend's show that he just had. So I'm tired. I need caffeine. It's just gonna be a day in the life, reset my life with me, clean with me, hang with me kind of video. So yeah, hope you like it.
We have like no food in the house. I'm just eating handfuls of this blend. It's actually pretty good. I don't know everything that's in there, but it's pretty delicious. But I probably need to eat some real food here soon. So I think I'm gonna make some tofu scramble because literally the only thing we have in the fridge is tofu. I like to, before we go on trips, to basically get rid of everything in our refrigerator so nothing goes bad. We like cooked everything and made everything before we left, but we had this tofu that would still be good when we got back. So we left it in its packaging. So yeah, now I'm gonna make some tofu scramble. What are you looking forward to today?
Oh, the Tomato Fest.
The Tomato Art Fest.
Yeah. It's all tomatoes. Oh yeah, go listen to our podcast. It's great.
I have a little bit left in here. Alright, boo. Love you. I'll see you later. Hi, how are ya? Doing good. Hi, honey. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's a good stretch. Oh, big yawn. Oh, the baby. So, I just left the coffee shop and I'm actually about to go through the podcast and edit it and then upload it. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna lay here and finish that up. I've loaded and uploaded these files to edit, and every time they get to 99%, they like fail. And now one of them's at 85%, so fingers crossed it actually works. Is technology our slave, or are we technology slave?
They equate their response to your own song and kind of expect you to live in that place of already being healed, just because it's like the image that you present to them. They want the real response.
I go through phases, but I'm trying to post every day on my Instagram, so I have to like take new pictures every day. That's what I'm doing. That's what I just did. And I'm gonna edit it, post it, and then tell people about the podcast that is now uploaded. I recently changed my Instagram from being like cool colors, cool tone, to warm. So I'm like trying it out. It's kind of fun. And that's what I'm doing now. Upload this. Well, today's the Tomato Art Festival and we're going to be walking there because we live so close. Yay!
It's only like 6 minutes away, 7 minutes away.
7 minutes away. Well, on maps it said 13 minutes. walk. I'm already sweating my balls off though. And we have a pooper.
You need to get video of her.
Why not? Everyone should know her intimate moments.
Nope.
This is what she does before she poops. Back and forth. Back and forth. There we go. All right. Yeah. I heard that.
Quiet.
Marvelous.
The quality content that the vlog deserves.
Off we go. I know, right? This is real life. The day in the life. And in every day of the life, I clean up dog poop. Okay? Say hello to the vlog.
You know, just reading up some lit.
Love it. We're in the flower shop with all the plants. And Patchouli, who is a plant.
She always says hello to the camera.
She is a hippie plant. I know.
You're the one where everyone's like, oh, is that a hippie in the room? Does it smell patchouli?
Oh yeah, girl.
Look at these little cacti. They're like pineapple cacti.
I love this.
Pineapple.
Yes. Like that's like
You and Adam both one of those.
so cute.
I like these too.
That's something a 5 would say.
I know. I love that.
That's a cool color. Dude, my philodendron is the only one that's like, oh, everyone else dies? Cool, I have eternal life.
Oh, propagating.
Propagating.
Yes,
Yeah.
I've been propagating the hell out of my philodendron.
Oh.
nice.
Well, if you get one, I'll take one from you, like a little leaf, because I want one.
It's not like that philodendron, it's one that like will shoot up and over.
Yeah.
Oh no! No, you're right.
Aren't those so cool? I love the wooden ones.
Oh, that's a jade plant?
Whoa.
How
Right.
is this even possible?
It's got to grow into
Other
that.
jade plants died to get
Well-
here because they ain't there.
Oh.
Really?
Oh, that's amazing.
Nature is so cool.
I love that.
Nature is
white
so cool.
An assessment due tomorrow. The first part was actually due this morning.
Hey y'all. So I just got back from the Tomato Art Fest. Adam went to Kroger to pick up some food and I think some wine because those that you saw, Xander and Lintu and Noelle and Daisy, are all coming over. We're gonna hang out, drink some drinks, chill out. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit more. I'm watching YouTube videos and I'm cleaning up a little bit while everybody's getting like their booze of choice at the store. Here, I'll show you Patchouli. She like kicked around her water in her water bowl so that she could lay in water because it's that freaking hot outside.
Video of everybody else but you.
I set to kill.
Patchouli. So I am still just hanging out with friends. Probably not gonna do much else tonight because honestly I'm having a good time and having drinks and chilling out.
See you in a minute.
So much competition right now. Yeah, I know.
You think it's a closet? And I'm like, who's coming
I know, I'm like, is that a back door?
He's nasty.
Okay, yeah, but like also the month we moved in here, there was somebody who got robbed at gunpoint right under our mailboxes. Right?
That's like every day in Atlanta, so.
I mean, it's fine, yeah.
You literally see people die, so.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I remember my first shooting.
What do you think of the night?
It was so fun. Good humans.
Good humans. I really liked today because I got to have coffee with a friend. I just felt like in balance today. Because I like was productive and relaxed and got to be around people that like I genuinely liked. I'm tired now if you can't tell. And I think we're gonna watch New Girl now. We may both fall asleep and I want to give you a proper hello and goodbye. But if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below. I'd love to talk with you. Find me on Instagram. Check out my Patreon if you haven't. So yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.